Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss our next assignment that is related to SIMnet project 2. So before going to solve this assignment step by step, first we move to one of my client work whom I done courses. Okay, we are just moving to log in that one. So we have done this just like the student course. Now we are just moving toward grades, and you may see that we are just starting this course and we will solve this course step by step. There are many courses we have already done. There are 3 to 4 courses we have already done. You may see this this course is already done. Okay, and my client got good grade, 100% marks. Yes, and we have done also another course, this one, and my client got good grade. You may see 90%, 97%, 98, 100%. So we have already done one of my client and he got about 95% result. Okay, so if you need any help regarding these courses, you may contact me. I'm available, I will solve, and you will get also 100% marks in your assignment. So let me start today assignment. So in today assignment, we will discuss Excel 2021 MOS Chapter 2 Project SIMnet. So we just open our instruction file first. It is just getting opening. Okay. So in today video, we will discuss Excel 2021 MOS Chapter 2 Project SIMnet. We just make it bold. It's SIMnet project. Okay, so we are just moving here. Excel 2021 MOS Chapter 2 project. We are on Windows, so that's why we download our file according to window. So from here to here, we have just instruction about the file, that what we have in today's file, how we have to solve that one. So we just simply read that one and get idea. In this project, so sorry, in this project you will be working on sales data for shoe company. So you will be completing steps toward the manage data cells and arrange objective domain. Okay, all these are just instruction about the file, that what we have in today's file, how we have to solve that one. So what we will cover in today project, this project covered the following most objective. Okay, following most project, we will cover following most objective. So we will learn, or we will get that how we can merge and unmerge the cell, apply cell style, format the cell by using format painter, apply number format, apply cell format from the format cell dialog box, modify cell alignment or rotation and indentation, fill cells by using auto cell, insert spark lines, define the range name, name the table, wrap the text within the cells, paste data by using special paste option, or remove condition formatting, apply built-in formatting, insert and delete cells, clear cell formatting, then insert and delete multiple columns or rows. So all these objectives will be covered in today's project. Okay, so we just highlight them in green. So now we are moving toward our main file, or we call solution file, instruction file, graded report. In graded report, how many questions? First we have to move toward, we have question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 questions in graded report. 11, 12 and 13 are non-graded one. So we have just 10 questions in today project. So let me start today project step by step. You may follow me and you will get E grade 100% marks. Remember that we are solving MOS Excel 2021, Chapter 2, Project SIMnet. So now we are moving to our instruction file to solve this project step by step. Steps to complete this project. Mark the steps as checked when you complete them. Okay. So in first part we have to open start file, or we call solution file. If file open in protected view, then click enable button in the message bar at the top of file so you can modify that. So we have to open our solution file, or we call start file. It is just getting opening. Once it open, then we will start work. Then we have to click on enable editing. Okay. So first part is done. In first part we have to open start file, and if it is in protected view, then we have to click enable button in message bar at the top of file so we can modify that. So we have done, and we get this one. Okay. Then in next part, in question number 2, we are just moving to our question number 2. So the file will be renamed automatically to include your name. Change the project file name if directed to do so by your instructor, and save it. So you may see our file name is automatically renamed by our name. Okay, so question number 1 and question number 2 is done. In question number 1 we have to open our solution file, or we call start file. Then if it is in protected view, then we have to click on enable editing to just like modify that one. Then in question number 2, the file will rename automatically to include your name. Change the project file name if directed to do so by your instructor, and save it. And we have done. So question number 1 and 2 is done. Now we are moving toward question number 3. On the by region worksheet, make following formatting modification. So we just move to this sheet by region. Then here we have to work. So in first part, what we have to do, merge and center the title across cell E1 to E1. So E1 to E1, first we have to select that one, then click on home, and there is option merge and center. So open this one and click merge and center option. Then in next part we have to apply the title style to merge cell. Now we have to apply title style there. That is already selected. Okay, click on home. In cell style we have to apply title style. Okay. Then in part C we have to use format picker to copy formatting from cell E3 to cell E4 to E7. We have to take formatting from E3. Where is E3? There. We have to take formatting from here. This one. Now where we have to apply? We have to apply on E4 to E7. Here we have to apply E4 to E7. Okay. So question number 3, part A, B and C is done. Now we are moving toward part D. In part D, what we have to do, we have to apply accounting number format to cell B3 to E8. B3 to E8. First we have to select the range B3 to E8. Then there we have to apply accounting number format. Click on home. There is accounting number format. Okay, so question number 3 part D is done, in which we have to apply accounting number format to cell B3 to E8, and we have done that one. Then in part DE, we have to in part E decrease the decimal, so the value or whole number with no cents. Okay, we have to remove decimal place value, so click on home, and there is option to remove decimal. Then in part F, we have to apply thick top blue border to cell B2 to E2. So first we have to select B2 to E2. Then there we have to apply thick top blue border. Thick top thick border. So we have to apply thick top border. Top border. Then we have to modify that and make that thick. This one. The color must be blue. Which blue? Apply thick top blue border. There is dark blue and this is blue. Okay. So we have to apply there, then simply press OK. So we get result. Okay. So question number 3, part F is done. Now we are moving toward part I, bottom in right column in border tab style. Yes, we have done that one. Okay. Then in part G, we have to change horizontal alignment for cell B2 to E2 in center. Home, and that must be in center. Okay. So question number 3, part G is also done. We have solved question number 3. In question number 3, there are 6 to 7 part, and we have solved each and every part step by step. In first part, after reading instruction, we get idea that we have to move toward by region worksheet, and there we have to make following formatting modification. In part A, we have to merge and center the title across cell E1 to E1. Then in part B, we have to apply title style to merge cell. Then in part C, we have to use painter to copy formatting from cell A3 to A4 to A7. Then in part D, we have to apply counting number format to cell B3 to E8. In part D, we have to decrease decimal to value or whole number with no cents. Then in part F, we have to apply thick top blue border to cell B2 to E2. Then in last part, we have to change horizontal alignment for cell B2 to E2 to center. So we have done question number 3 step by step. Now we are moving toward question number 4. After solving question 3, we get here. Okay. Now we are moving toward question number 4. On question number 4, what we have to do? On the by region worksheet, complete the total row. Okay. So that was just an instruction about question number 4, that we have to work on by region worksheet. So first we have to move toward by region worksheet, and there we have to work there. So in first part, we have to use autofit to fill the formula from cell B8 to CA to E8. Where is B8? First we have to find B8. This one. Now we have to drag this formula toward E8. Yes. Then we have to apply total cell style to AA to E8. Here we have to apply total cell style. Click on home, cell style, and here we have to apply total cell style. Okay. So question number 4 is done. After solving question number 4, we get this result. Okay. In question number 4, there are 2 parts. After reading instruction, we get idea that we have to move toward by region worksheet, and there we have to complete the total row. In first part, we have to use autofit to fill the formula from cell B8 to cell C8 to F8, E8, sorry, after that, then we have to apply total cell style to cell E8 to E8 and we get this result, okay. So question number 4 is done. After solving question number 4, now we are moving toward question number 5. So on question number 5, on by region worksheet, we have to add columns logline in range F3 to F7. F3 to F7. Here we have to add columns logline. So click on insert, and there is columns logline. Now what is a data range we have to in? We have in this data range, this one, okay. B3 to E7. So we have to in B3 to E7. Yes, now simply press OK, so we will get the result. So question number 5 is done. In question number 5, we have to move toward by region worksheet, and there we have to add columns logline in F3 to F7 for data range B3 to E7 we use. After solving question number 5, we get this result, okay. So same way we will solve question number 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, then question number 11, 12 and 13 are non-graded one. So till now we have solved almost half of assignment. In graded part we have just 10 questions. Out of 10 questions we have done first 5 questions, you may see. So in today's video we have discussed a SIMnet project. The name is Excel 2021 MOS chapter 2 project SIMnet. In start we just discussed this instruction about the file, that what we have in today project, how we have to solve that one. Then we discuss what we will cover after solving this project. This project covered the following MOS project. So we just read all these SLOs or objectives that we will cover. After that, then we move to our instruction file and we have solved question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have solved first 5 questions out of 10 questions. So 50% assignment is done from my side in today's video. If you need complete solution for this file, sorry, there is some problem. So if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to contact me on my WhatsApp number, on my email ID, on my Instagram ID. All links are available in video description. You may contact me. I am available. I will solve, and you will get E grade 100% marks whenever I will solve your assignment. And remember that your file will be ready in next 30 minutes. I will take maximum 30 minutes to complete your project, and your result will be 100%. First you get the result, then you pay me. Our payment will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. And first you get the result. In this way you will remain safe from scammer, because there are many scammers in the market who took the payment from the client but they didn't solve their assignment. So from my side it's the biggest opportunity that first you get the result, then you pay me. So you may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that you may also contact me for other courses just like mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may contact me. I am available. I will solve, and you will get E grade 100% marks in every assignment in next 30 minutes. I will take just 30 minutes to complete your project, and your result will be 100%. First you get the result, then you pay me. In this way you will remain safe from the scammer, and our payment will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. In today's project we discussed Excel 2021 MOS chapter 2 project. It's a SIMnet project. We will meet soon with our next project. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.